we're going to show you how to put your spare tire back in your 2013 Ford Taurus. Once you've taken your spare out, here you go. You have all your parts down here. So you got your jack, and it should be in a case like this. Your tire iron's here, your jack is here, and then you have this little piece that goes in the car. You have your topper, and then you have the one that goes on top. Sorry about that. All right, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is put this back in like this, right on that. Then you take this piece and over here, slide it in there like that. And it fits right over here, and it goes over here. Then you put your cap on here. Grab your spare tire, put it on top like this, and grab this, put this on top like this. Get your floor, put that back in, just like that. And that is how you put your spare tire back in your 2013 Ford Taurus. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.